Hi there, we here at solut just wanted to give you a reminder about the best way to reach tech support. At solut, we use solut4u for all our support. A little about solut4u. Make sure to log in with your Microsoft 365 account. These are the industry standard service times we adhere by. This is how you submit tickets. This is where you can view your tickets. The ticket details are on the left-hand side. And you can view the information you put in, submit updates via the chat box, and get pop-up notifications. You can reopen your old tickets. Your feedback is collected through Smileback. Let us know how we did. All notifications will show up in the Notification tab. The Learning Center has everything you need to learn about solut4u and new, exciting features. We have alternative ways to submit tickets, such as our emergency line and the solut4u website, so you're never left stranded. We look forward to servicing you through solut4u.